This presentation explores the transformative impact of AI on customer service. Discover how AI agents are poised to handle the majority of customer interactions. Learn about the implications for businesses and human agents. Widespread adoption. By 2025, 80% of companies plan to adopt AI-powered chatbots. Market growth. The AI customer service market is expected to reach $4.1 billion by 2027. AI in daily workflows. By 2024, 26% of customer service professionals will use AI daily. Improving efficiency. 35% of organizations are using AI to boost agent efficiency. Handling routine tasks. AI agents can handle up to 80% of routine tasks and inquiries. Simultaneous conversations. They can process thousands of conversations at once. Cost reduction. AI implementation can lead to a 30% reduction in costs. Labor savings. Agent labor costs could be cut by $80 billion by 2026. First response times. AI can decrease first response times by 37%. Ticket resolution. Ticket resolution is 52% faster with AI. AkzoNobel reduced average response time using AI. Response time decreased from 6 hours to just 70 minutes. Cost savings. Unity saved $1.3 million using AI agents. Ticket reduction. They also reduced 8,000 tickets. Customer interaction. 49% of U.S. adults interacted with AI chatbots last year. Future plans. 44% of companies plan to use AI chatbots within 2 years. Inquiries per hour. AI can process 50 to 60 inquiries per hour. Time savings. Chatbots may save 2.5 billion work hours by the end of 2024. Instant support. Provides instant support without human intervention. Customer satisfaction. Reduces hold times and increases customer satisfaction. Customer history. AI systems learn from past customer interactions, building comprehensive profiles to inform future engagements. Behavior analysis. Advanced algorithms analyze customer behavior patterns to identify preferences and anticipate needs. Tailored experiences. Using gathered insights, AI delivers personalized experiences that evolve with each customer interaction. Cost reduction. A 35% cost reduction in operations is achievable. Revenue increase. A 32% increase in revenue is possible. $1 investment. The initial investment in AI customer service technology. $3.50 return. The moderate return scenario for companies implementing AI. $8 return. The significant return potential from AI customer service solutions. Inquiries per hour. 13.8% more inquiries handled per hour. Time saved. 45% time saved on calls. Issue resolution. 44% faster issue resolution. Support quality. 35% increase in support quality. Consistency. 35% increase in consistency. 2024, 15.8% CAGR. AI-driven customer experience solutions beginning to transform CXM landscape. 2026, 17.1% CAGR. Accelerated adoption as AI technology matures and integration becomes seamless. 2028, 18.5% CAGR. Widespread implementation across industries with enhanced capabilities. 2030, 20.2% CAGR. AI becoming the dominant force in customer experience management. CXM market is projected to grow at 15.8% CAGR between 2024 to 2030. AI analyzes customer data for tailored experiences. This leads to a 5 to 15% revenue increase. AI also leads to higher retention rates. Ticket routing. AI automatically analyzes and routes customer requests. Improved efficiency. It also improves efficiency and response times. Faster replies. 61% prefer faster AI replies over waiting for humans. Instant responses. 68% appreciate AI's instant responses. Primary channel. 25% of businesses will use AI as primary customer service channel by 2027. Understanding complexity. Modern AI understands and responds to complex inquiries. Escalation. AI can escalate to human agents when necessary. AI handles routine. Automated systems efficiently process standard inquiries and frequently asked questions, freeing up valuable resources. Humans handle complex. Human agents focus on nuanced issues requiring emotional intelligence and creative problem-solving abilities. Enhanced efficiency. The partnership between AI and human agents creates a more responsive and cost-effective customer service ecosystem. Human agents are becoming more tech-savvy. Focus shifting to specialized knowledge. Focus also shifting to soft skills. Staffing needs. Predicts staffing needs based on historical data. Team scheduling. Automates team scheduling and personalizes shifts. Human touch. Maintaining a personal connection in customer interactions remains crucial despite automation advancements. Complex issues. 75% of customers feel chatbots struggle with complicated or nuanced service problems. AI limitations. Current AI technologies have boundaries in understanding context and emotional cues in customer interactions. Responsible implementation. Balancing efficiency. Empathy. Human connection. AI training. Importance of AI training for professionals. Knowledge. Develop cross-functional knowledge. Soft skills. Complex situations. Handling complex, emotionally charged situations. Empathy. Providing empathy and building relationships. AI handles 80%. AI handles 80% of routine tasks by 2027. Humans focus on high value. Human agents focus on complex interactions. Key to success. Balance AI efficiency with human insight.